welcome back to my channel. Today we are just going to do swatches. I know that's different, but the swatches are going to be on my face. And they're going to be my Jeffree Star palettes because I never did a first impressions of them, never planned on it. I might use them in looks in the future, but I don't know. I kind of figured that everybody else has a tutorial out there of every Jeffree Star palette, so there's really no need for me to do that. But I am going to be swatching them on my face today. So let's start with this one right here. This is the mini Jawbreaker, and we are going to start off with these first three colors, which is a Double Scoop, Orange Crush, and Foreplay. Those three. So I am one of those people that they say the eyeshadows aren't eye safe for. Yeah, I'm that person. What they do to me is I end up with marks all over, or rashes all over my eyes. So those are the first three colors of the Jawbreaker palette. Now we are using Oral, Purple, Punch, and Slice, the next three right here. The next three we got going on here is Hot Fudge, Bite Me, and Bubblegum. Okay, so there are the first row of colors here. I've got more. The next palette I have is the Jawbreaker big palette here, and it is a lot of fun. These are the colors. You can see that I've been using some of them more than others. If you look closely, let's see, there you go. Like, I use this white one quite a bit, and I've used the orange one quite a bit too. Anyway, so first three colors we're going to swatch is Virgin, Good Morning, and Bubblegum. Okay, there's those three. The next three we are swatching is Wow, Suck, and Licorice. Those three right here. Next three we are using is Cute, Fuck, and Gumdrop. Those three right here. Alright, next three colors is Snack, Brain Freeze, and Jawbreaker. Those three. Next row, And What, Orange Juice, and Sour. Soaked, Raspberry, and Cotton Candy. Lemon Drop, Bite Me, and Cherry Wet. Tasty, Cone, and Delicious. Alright, those are the Jawbreakers swatched on my forehead. The next palette is Blood Sugar. So that is the inside of that one, and we are swatching. I'm gonna go this way just so I don't keep starting. I don't know, I don't think it really matters. Let's go this way. That might be fun. Okay, so this one is a Glucose, Candy Floss, and Prick. Next we got Sugarcane, Tongue Pop, and Cherry Soda. Cake Mix, Sweetener, Fresh Meat. See that? There we go. Blood Sugar, Cavity, and Ouch. Donor, O Positive, and Extraction. Coma, Root Canal, and Intravenous. so blood sugar is done. We are moving on to the next palette. Next palette, Blue Blood. Alright, so we are starting with the swatches. Again, we're doing rows like that because that seems to be working. We are going to start with Coolian, Power, and Wealthy. Alright, we got Celebrity Skin, Blue Bud, and Men Tea. Next we have Entitled, Deceased, and Crystal Flesh. Ocean Ice, Ice Tray, and I'm Cold. Cremated, Blue Monday, and Untouchable. Okay, we got Undertaker, Flourishing, and Priceless. Okay, so that is it of Blue Blood. We are moving into my last Jeffree Star palette, which is Bloodlust. That's the last one I have. Alright, so here is Bloodlust. And let's go ahead and open it. Colors. Don't think there's a perfect way for me to go about this one, so let's start with Dungeon. Yeah, I'm just gonna swatch that one and then do row by row. We'll do Dungeon right here. There we go. That's pretty. Okay, so the next three is Devant, Social Water, and Hiking. Next we got Vile Serpent, Vivid Mood, and Sworn Enemy. Alright, so next we got Beauty Sleep, Majesty, and Take the Crown. Okay, Wet Jewel, Pink Magic, and Monarchy. Betrayal, Blood Queen, and Bleeding Heart. Last two is Royal Pain and Executor. That is it of my swatches. I say let's try to finish the look. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and finish the look because why not? I am going to take, and I'm going to do this with my fingers because I'm already finger painting my face, so we're just going to continue that trend. I am going to take Executor and put it at the bottom part of my eyelids there. I think I'm going to take this purple right here and put it on my lips. I think I'm going to take and swatch these same colors on the other side for fun, because that seems like a good thing to do. And let's do Jawbreaker. Jawbreaker. And just the mini one at the bottom of my face. That is my Jeffree Star palette swatch look. I hope you enjoy this. I hope you thought it was fun, because it was fun to me just to swatch it, because who doesn't buy a palette and want to just rub it all over their face? Yeah, I know. Anyways, if you like this video, please do not forget to like it and let me know what you thought of this. And if you'd like me to see, let me try that again. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you would like me to see me do this with other palettes I have, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.